In this video, I will show you how to apply functions like count, distinct, concat, collect list, and length on a data frame in PySpark. Let's import Spark session from PySpark.sql import Spark session. I'll make an object Spark, and in this I will save the Spark session. I will call the class Spark session. From this, I will call the method builder.get or create. Let's execute our code. Now I'm going to read the data frame and save in a variable df. I will write spark.read.csv, and inside this I will pass my CSV file name house.csv. I'll pass two parameters. The first is info schema is equal to true. This will give us column type. The second is header is equal to true. This will give us column names. To look at our data frame, we will use the method show. I will write df.show. We have this data frame and we have columns such as city, overall quality, GLE area, garage area, and sale price. First, we will see count distinct function, and let's apply this on this column city. We have this column city. We will apply the function count distinct and see how many distinct cities are there. I will write df.aggregate, and to apply the function, first we will have to import functions from PySpark. Here I will import the functions. I will write import pyspark.sql.functions as f. I'm importing the SQL functions and I will use this as f. I'll write df.aggregate. I will call this function f, and then I will call the count distinct function, and we will apply this on the column city. I will write here city dot show, and here in the output we got 6. It says that total there are 6 distinct cities present in this variable city. Let's verify using the method distinct. I will write df.select, column name is city, then the function distinct dot show. In the output we got the distinct cities here. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We got the correct output here. There are total 6 distinct cities. Next method is length, and this will give us the length of a function. For example, we have different types of cities in this variables city name. Here we want to find the length of, let's say, Mumbai, Delhi. For example, Mumbai has a length of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Delhi has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We will get 6, 5, and so on. Let's apply the length function on this column city. Dot select f dot length, and then the column name dot show, and here you can see we got 6 for Mumbai, 5 for Delhi, then 7 for Kolkata. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and so on. You will get the length of your string names. The next method is collect list, and this will return us the result in the form of list. For example, if I write df.select and then column name, let's say city.show, here you will see we got the result in rows. We have this first row, second row, third row, and so on. But when we apply the function collect underscore list, we will get all this result in a single row in the form of list. Let's see. I will write df dot aggregate f dot collect underscore list, and then the column name. The column name is city dot show, and here in the output you will see we got the output in the form of list. Here we have Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, and so on. We just got one row and the whole output is in this list here. And we can also look at the entire list. For that, we will pass one parameter here inside this show function. Truncate is equal to false. And let's run this again. Now you will see the entire result. You just have to go a little down, and here you will see this is our list, and in this list we have all the cities names. So this collect list method will return the result in the form of list. And the last method is concat. We can concat two column using this method. Let's say we want to concat these two columns, city and sale price. I will write df dot select. Inside this I will call f dot concat, the concat function, and I want to concat two column. The first column is df city and the second column is df sale price. And let's do dot show. Here in the output you can see we have concated two columns. The first column is city and the second column is sale price. You can put any other column name here. For example, instead of sale price, I'll copy this column name from here and paste it here. So I'll paste it here and let's execute our code. Now we have concatenated these two columns, city and overall quality. These are some of the functions that you can apply on PySpark data frame. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.